Hello everybody and welcome back to the Art of Finance, and in today's video we'll be going over my Vanguard and Trading 2 account for the month of October. Now this is the month of dividends, October. Now for my Vanguard account, as we can see, we're currently at £4,982 with a gross profit of £573.49. As you can see, a lot of it is actually from the S&P 500, which is at £474, compared to the FTSE 100, which is at £99, doing a bit less than last month's, which is not a problem because there's always ups and downs in your portfolio. As we can see, we are at a rate of return of 13.24%, which is quite good, and we are averaging from around about 11% to 13%, and we are steadily growing upwards. Now there are slight bumps, but that's not to worry as it all evens out in the end. And right now we are currently at £582 up, which is really good. And for the FTSE 100, we've actually gained a bit of dividends, which is excellent. Now I haven't calculated how much dividends I've got just yet. The effective date was the 30th of September, but I haven't seen it take active into my account just at the minute. So next month I'll touch upon that of how much I actually received. I could probably work it out, but I'm not really too worried about it, and I'll reinvest it in the next month. So that's great for that. In more dividends news, my Coca-Cola stocks also received the dividends of £13.31, which is excellent. Compare that to the first time I ever got dividends was £4, around about the £4 mark. And you got to remember that I'm also investing £300 every single month, so naturally you would see that your dividends would also grow. And remember, always with your dividends, always reinvest it into your portfolio, as the snowball is quite small at the moment, but over the long term it will go larger and larger and larger, and you will see the fruitfulness of your investing over the long term. So if we touch upon gold has pretty much been stayed around about the 1400 and 1500 mark. I feel like it's going to stay like this for quite a while, as a lot of people are investing in gold at the minute due to the global pandemic, which makes sense, to be honest. It hedges against inflation and it keeps your money secure. And if we look at silver has actually been dipped just below the 18 mark, and I feel like it has the potential to go even lower. So personally, I'll be holding off on buying silver at the moment. Can you buy on the dip? Yes, you can. It's not a problem. You could always buy on the dip, but at this point in time, I feel like it can go lower, around about the 16 and 14 mark, as it is not as popular as gold is. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually fairly stable at the moment, staying around at the 7,000, 8,000 mark, and I will be looking to get into it, but just currently I'm still waiting for the right time to jump in on Bitcoin, as I like to get a few things set up beforehand. I do get invested. Now the means of, for example, gold, silver and Bitcoin is just diversifying your portfolio even more. So for example, in such a pandemic, you should be buying a lot of things on the cheap, and in the long run you'll be happy because when things skyrocket you'll be selling them at the high. So always remember to buy low and sell high. Whenever it is a bear market, that is a time and opportunity for you to get into great stocks, which has great potential in the future to grow. But always remember to do your research. I will be making a full video about how to invest in stocks and looking into the company history, the dividends that they pay out as well, and that will be in a later video. If you like this video, please take a second out of your day to like, comment and subscribe. It will be much appreciated. If you have any comments, do drop them down below and let me know, and I'll answer your comments. Now this has been the Art of Finance. Peace.